Hey everyone, welcome back to the Think Stats. In the previous video, we talked about the most run scorers in India-England test. So in this video, let's find out which bowler have the most wickets in India-England test. And we'll also see towards the end of this video which current bowlers are in the top 15 list. So without any further ado, let's jump into our visualization. In this visualization, along with the wickets, we are also showing the number of innings bowled by the bowler, his average, and the number of fifers he has taken. The percentage on the right side shows percentage of away wickets. By the end of 1936 series, England's Headley Verity had the maximum 38 wickets. In 51-52 series, Binu Mankad's all-round performance helped India draw the series 1-1. He took the most 34 wickets in the series and moved ahead of Verity in the list. He also became the first bowler to cross 50 wickets in India-England test. He stopped at 54 wickets. After an emphatic series with 24 wickets, Fred Trueman became the second bowler to cross 50+ wickets. In 1962, Salim Durrani, who was the leading wicket taker of the series with 23 wickets, helped India win their first ever test series against England. In the year 1967, Bhagwat Chandrasekhar entered the top 15 list after a good series with the most 16 wickets for India. He started moving up in leaps and bounds, and within no time he dethroned Mankad to become the highest wicket taker in India-England test. One of the interesting things about both Chandrasekhar and his partner in crime, Bishan Singh Bedi, is that in spite of both being spinners, they had more than 65% of wickets in the seaming conditions of England. And by the end of 1976-70 series, both took the first and the second place respectively. In the year 1980, Ian Botham took 13 wickets in a match, the most by any bowler in a India-England test match. By 1981-82, Kapil Dev entered the top 15 list and started moving up slowly. And by the year 1986, he reached the third position. In the late 80s and the early 90s, he was the only bowler in the list who showed movement, and by the year 1992-93, he reached the second position. Anil Kumble, who was the leading wicket taker of the 2000-2001 series with 19 wickets, entered the top 15 list. Sooner he crossed the 50 mark. And by the end of 2007 series, he reached the second position with 91 wickets. By the end of 2008-9, Zaheer Khan entered the top 15 list. In the year 2011, English pacer James Anderson and Indian spinners Harbhajan Singh entered the list. Anderson started moving up rapidly with some brilliant performances, especially in the home series. In the year 2014, his counterpart Stuart Broad entered the top 15 list. After a brilliant series in 2016-17 with 28 wickets, India's R. Ashwin broke through the top 15 list. In 2018, Anderson dethroned Chandrasekhar to become the leading wicket taker in India-England test, and also he became the only bowler to cross 100 wickets in India-England test. So by the end of the last series, which was played in India early this year, James Anderson, R. Ashwin, Stuart Broad, Ishant Sharma and Moeen Ali are the current playing bowlers in the top 15 list. Overall, Anderson is at the top position with 118 wickets, and he is followed by Chandrasekhar and Kumble at 95 and 92 wickets respectively. So that brings an end to this video. Hope you like it. And for more such great stats and insights, subscribe to Think Stats.